What's up, y'all? I'm up early trying to get this thing cleaned up for rice and coffee today. So check out how dirty these wheels are. Now this is actually sand from Panama City Beach. So I love these wheels, but these are hard to keep clean. When I was at Detail Garage, I picked this stuff up. Signature Series wheel cleaner formulated for all gloss finishes. And I was reading the directions, it says you can also use to clean tires with, so let's try it out. Oh, you got Toyos? Yeah, nice, nice. So did you plastic dip the emblems?
Nope, those are painted.
Oh, painted. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Clean too.
Yeah, these have been painted. The badge up here has been color matched.
Okay. Nice. That's
Got
perfect too.
Got some bug chips on it. But,
Yeah, we all do.
and then the one on the tailgate's been done the same way.
Okay. The whole thing. Nice. I love that. I love this color.
Tail lights and the third brake light.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So it's not a film. It's like an aerosol spray.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. And it blends in too. I like the way.
And they didn't overdo it. I don't like it when they're solid black because you can barely see them.
Right. I like that.
Yeah.
I'm seeing through it. Stand back a little bit. I don't want to get too close. Wow. Yeah. Woo. Wow, man. I love the red. The red is perfect. Got it up here too. Woo. Okay. Nice. Perfect. No, about the kid seat, I know. I know. And make sure I get you in there.
My baby, one of my two babies.
Nice, nice. With all this on the screen. And you got the tonal cover to match too? Probably gonna be the cover to the video right here. These 4 trucks right here. What's going on? Everything good?
Oh yeah, how y'all doing?
All right. What's your part over here with us? Good. 37s. F-150. Wow. This is Powder Perfections. Alright, so we got powder coat down here, powder coat in there, powder coat the hitch. 35, 1950 Cali's. to see. All right, this one got the green treatment. Same thing at the bottom. Got a spike like this. Pitch. Powder Perfections. Y'all check them out. Powder Perfections. Got red Chevy Row. Out by American Speed Shop. Take a look in there, bro. My goodness. Camaro SS. Got a Super Duty on what? $38,1550. What? My goodness. G Auto. That huge gloss pipe. Alright, so I forgot to include the food last time. People called me out for it, so show the food. That's these citrus. Yeah, Jalapeno Express. They were actually here last time. And you got sweet slush Italian ice. Where we're headed. What you got? What you got? Another one. Whoa. Supercharged. Huh? Oh. What's happening? What's happening? Wow, nice. It's RTV.
Oh, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Yeah, any issues getting on?
No, it took, well, it got dark on me, but
Okay.
other than that, it took about an hour to do.
Okay. Alright. What's going on?
What's up, City Country Hero? You already know what it is, man.
What's going on, man? Hey, finally see it up close. City Country Hero. Everything, it's the whole, Man. I know you're like, yeah, whatever, yeah. I see you. I hear that.